welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're at home now, but it's still Friday on the video, and we still have more recoveries to do off the racetrack. Well, maybe not. Maybe they got it. We'll just wait here and see, make sure they do it safe. Well, that was pretty easy. Now they got to check fluids. Looks like we're just going to pull him back onto flat ground so he can check his fluid levels. So the one that rolled over, he does need a tow back to camp. Okay, we pulled him back, and now we'll hook up to the front of him and tow him back to camp. Okay, he says they're in blue campground. Which is the left side of the wood pile. So we'll take him back there. Well, we got him back to his campsite. Well, they aren't done on the racetrack yet. I gotta haul another one back to camp. So this Cherokee he's going to blue. What? So there's another one back at camp for repairs, and it's only Friday. Well, looks like we're going again. This time they need somebody in Yellow Rock. Apparently there's a rollover. Well, we can.
Whatever works.
It's just brush, right?
It's just brush. No rocks in there.
Okay. That's okay with him. It was just easier to roll him into the brush, and we'll see. If he can start it up, back it out, we'll do that. All right, he's still hung up in the trees, so we're gonna get out of here and pull him backwards off of the trees, and then he was tipped over long enough. He thinks that he's gonna have to pull some plugs. Gonna roll it back over. We don't want that. So we're gonna hook on to the lower trailing arm and see if we can slide the back end over. Looks like we're gonna have to lift it. That took a little while, but we got it. Hit the starter, just give it a couple taps. Or one. Okay. There you go. Just up for a while.
Thank you much.
Well, thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.